7240 Yuba Drive. How you doing, bud? What you up to, man?
Oh no, I'm sorry about that. Let me lower down my music. No, my car just died out. I don't know if it's not the gas or the battery.
Right here?
Yeah, and I'm kind of stuck without a phone, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so I was just kicking back, waiting until I see someone pass by so I could call
For sure. Got your ID on you, boss?
My ID? Yeah.
Mind if I check that out real quick?
Uh-huh.
Joseph Corral out of L.A. Never met you before, man. You not from here?
Oh, yeah, I am from here. I thought this was L.A.
You think this is L.A.?
Yeah. This is not L.A.?
This is not L.A.
Oh, okay.
Chill, will you speak with him for a second?
What's going on, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. What are you doing over here?
Yeah, like I was telling your friend, my car battery died, and I have no gas. So I was just waiting so I could call someone.
You here seeing anybody or not?
No.
No probation pro or anything like that?
No.
You sure?
No.
No probation?
2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 5, 6.
Yeah, you're a really bad spot, dude.
Huh?
You're in a really bad spot.
Yeah, the car died out
Close in.
there, and then I had someone help me push it over here, so I was in a bad spot.
Gotcha.
Is that car turned off, boss? Would you mind taking the keys out for me real quick? You mind just taking the keys out? Thanks. You've been driving or walking?
No, I was walking. Like I said, the car died out.
Did it die from gas or how did it die?
Thought there was a 647F dude walking by.
How'd you get to it here?
Yeah, I had a woman help me push it over.
Push it like this?
Yeah.
647.
Got it. I'll handle it.
My car's gonna come talk to you.
Did you, is that his ID?
This is him. I ran him, but we're waiting on the return.
Oh, I see. So, where are you coming from? Where do you live, dude?
No, I'm coming from, I was just cruising around here.
Okay. Where do you live?
Where do I live? East LA.
What's that again?
East LA?
Okay. When did you get here?
2 days ago.
Are you visiting someone or?
Huh?
Are you visiting someone or?
Oh, no.
Okay. How much did you have to drink today? How much did you drink today?
Okay, just do it. Just do what the fuck you gotta do, man.
Yeah, well, how much did you drink?
Just do what the fuck you gotta do.
Okay, so you didn't drink anything?
Man, no.
Alright, come outside the big man.
That's affirmed. Hey! Don't reach, bro! Don't reach! Gun! Shots fired! Hey! I see you! Hands up! I got this! Hey, ma'am! Run! Ma'am, get back! She's injured. Fuck. Is she okay? Get her! Oh, fuck, dude. Hey, get out of the van now! Get him fucking out. There's someone injured back there. Back there.
I thought it was him.
Get back! Get out, bud! What? Slowly! Come out of the van!
Is that him or no?
Yeah.
Hey, fool, come on!
Hey!
Come on!
Slowly! Hey! Don't fucking reach for that gun! Reach! Slowly open the door! Do not fucking reach for that gun! You will get fucking shot!
Kyle 7-1. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Slowly! Come out the window! Come out the window!
Come out here.
Come out the window now! Do not fucking reach that gun or you will be shot!
Keep coming
On
out.
the ground! On your fucking face! Now!
Keep coming out.
Taser, taser, taser.
Get down.
Taser,
Get on the
taser,
ground.
taser. Hit him! Hit him with the taser, bro.
Get on the ground.
Hit him! Hit him! Hit him!
Make sure nobody else is in that vehicle.
Clear that! Clear that! Holy fuck, dude.
You alright?
Yep. Are you
You all
shot?
right?
Are you shot?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Where's that gun? You got 751 detained. Are you hit, bud? Find that gun real quick, bud. Find that gun. You got 75. Start medical. Have him stage.